This look was the most controversial look that I did this year, and it garnered the most dislike out of any of my hair creations that I did. Today we're doing it again! Earlier this year, I put keratin microbond extensions into my very short hair. I left these long, and together with the length and the color, it ended up being a slightly distasteful hairstyle in the sense that it didn't quite give what I wanted it to give. The entire style and technique ended up on my hairstyles I will not be trying again because of how much I did not like the feeling of microbonds in my hair, as well as how little it blended with my actual hair. I also said I will not be getting layered haircuts within that video as well, but we're ignoring two things within that video today. Because I've been eyeing this haircut for so long, and so many of you have been requesting it. Hairstylists have absolutely despised the names like wolf cut, butterfly cut, tiger cut, if it exists. This in hair terminology is something called a shag cut or else a box cut, because you can achieve this by bringing all the hair to one length and cutting it like a box. But it's really fun, it's really whimsical, and so we gave them these names like butterfly cut. It also makes it really cute. I had tried this cut on a wig once and it turned out really amazing, and I've been wanting to try it again ever since. But not permanent. So in combining the two things that I learned this year, which is that A, I do not like extensions, and B, I do not like layered haircuts on myself, today I'm going to be doing the cut on clip-on extensions that I can put in and take out at any point. Let's do it. So you guys have been asking me for extension content for a while, because extensions, it turns out, are quite big and everyone loves them except me. So I feel a tiny bit left out. Because I do want to jump on the wagon myself, today we're going to be trying it, but with clip-on extensions. And lucky for me, these are extensions that I already had that kind of fit my hair color. We're gonna make it work today, but I also want to see how possible it is to give yourself a completely new haircut with literally just extensions, and how well we can make them blend. Let's go! I haven't styled my hair yet. In fact, it is freshly washed, so we're going to do that all at the end. Also, my hair is super soft. I'm not gonna lie, I did think I ruined my hair with the amount of times I changed it this year. I wanted not to change it, but I did. So I'm actually really happy that it's so freaking soft and healthy. First extension. So we are going to see if we can make this work. That's it. That's the transformation. Give me a sec. So this is just a sticky, like, powder that allows extensions and other stuff to adhere to the hair. Oh yeah, much better. There it is. Decent hold, actually. Decent hold. But next piece. Putting extensions on short hair is such a trust the process look. Now I've got 4 of these tiny extensions to distribute around the front of my head, because right now I gave myself a mullet. God, I hate extensions. Good thing this brush can brush through it easily. What am I missing? Why is it missing that? Not hopeful yet, guys. This is it. Give me a sec. I need to put this in a way that looks a tiny bit better than this. Okay, we've got something concrete. Again, does not look great, especially because of the massive texture difference between my own hair and the extensions, but the colors blend for the most part. I've got a tiny bit of orange over here. I kind of like it. And it's a tiny bit better distributed. Now, I'm gonna do this on a dry cut because they're extensions and I do genuinely need to visualize what the hell I'm doing. So the one thing that I learned from having extensions earlier in the year is that when you have extensions on very short hair, the extensions need to be almost just as short as your own hair at the start of the blend point, because if you have hair like this, it's very evident that my hair stops here and then the extensions stop here, when the reality is that there should be layering that kind of blend the hair with the extensions. Now again, these extensions, I think they're full set, but oh my god, if someone sells this, as a full set, Jesus Christ. Because I want to kind of go for a wolf cut is done by bringing forward the different hair at different points on the head and cutting it. So in this case, for instance, let's say I take this front section and I bring it forward, cut it down. I'm anticipating that the extensions will be cut till around here. I love this length. Oh my god. This is the length that I kind of want to keep my extensions at. I'm going to start cutting layers. Now I want to match it with the longest my hair will go here. The downside with working with dry cuts is that it looks extremely choppy. I'll fix all of that with our blowout. Oh my god, so charming. It's kind of blending. It looks really bad because there's a massive texture difference and also volume difference, but it's kind of blending. Let's repeat it on the other side. You might be wondering why the hell I'm using a paddle brush to keep tension on my hair versus a cutting comb, which is standard. And there's two main reasons. The first one is that my hair currently has a lot of texture and this thing has a tendency of getting stuck in it because we're using dry hair. The second thing is that if I were to do this, I would rip out all of my hair extensions. Versus with a paddle brush, I'm able to go at it with a gentler touch and retain all of the extensions in my hair. Aside from this, we got quite a nice kind of a V shape in the back of our head. I quite like it. I think we're onto something. Hey, that's actually cute. What? That's actually so cute. So here's how it's looking with a cute little sample hairpin. I think I want a blowout, but to be honest, I'm actually going to base my hairstyle on the outfit that I pick because that's how I kind of like to do it. So it's a good thing I've got about 15 different outfit options. I think this might be my favorite one. This video is actually sponsored by Halara, a really amazing clothing company that does an assortment of gym wear, lounge wear, and really cool denim leggings, as well as some really incredible pieces, all of which I got today. I'm actually really excited for them because they have some really insane pieces that on the website look very Renaissance. I'm not gonna lie, I'm eager to try it. Obviously, every single item that I have in this bag, I'm going to link below. And they also offered me Cini15, my surname, the coupon code for 15% off their entire website, obviously on full priced items. The reason I'm saying that is because it is very close to Black Friday and a lot of their stuff are going to be on sale, including their Cloudful 3.0 legging and their denim leggings. But now let's try them on. I got some really fun pieces that I typically wear, but then also because we're trying out new things and we want to keep it fresh on this channel, even things that I don't wear. Look how stretchy these are. We can go for a super casual moment. This is so cute. I wish I could describe this fabric to you. It is like soft, but like velvet, like if butter was a fabric, this is kind of what it would feel like. Favorite fabrics I've ever felt in my life. These are the jeans, and as you can see, I can lift my leg up because they are... I can do yoga in these if I really wanted to. I can squat. Okay. They also sent me these. These are their wide-legged sister. I mean, I love me a wide-legged pant. Look at them, so comfortably. Like, you know when you can't find a good pair of jeans because you can't like squat in them? Now it's time for the wide leg. I haven't seen these in years, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of eager to see what they look like. This is the denim legging, jegging. I really like it. they're so comfy. Like they've got pockets. I respect a womanly pant with a pocket. Once again, this is obviously incredibly stretchy. I will say that about every single item that I ordered. They are either extremely well fitting and comfortable, or it's just stretchy. I like it. We have these pants. I don't wear silver, and so I was convinced I was going to not like these the most. They're so comfortable. They're so like addicting to like rub up and down. Like, oh my god. I really want to go to a Beyonce concert. Wear this because they're so nice. I was convinced this was going to be the least favorite one. I really want to try this dress that I have yet to figure out. Is it going to look good? Once again, that same really just slippy material, like insanely comfortable. The one thing I can say about this brand so far, the fabric is just, it's not irritating, it's snug, like everything just fits and forms to your body, and they're not expensive. Now for these that I was most excited for, let me show them to you. These pants I was so excited for, because although everything on the website tends to be a tiny bit more relaxed, loungewear-y, a bit casual, these I was like, I need to try them. And they've got such cute detailing, like a double button detailing here. You can obviously wear it with a belt. It's ruched in the back over here. It's got pockets, and then it's got the cute little, you know, wide leg detailing that most kind of office pants have. I absolutely love it. Oh my god, yes! For the grand finale, I have wanted a double slit skirt for so long, and when I saw this, I'm like, I need this. They had this in a bunch of different colors, everything they had in a bunch of different colors, but I remember this one was the hardest for me to pick, but I was like, you can't go wrong with black. You know what else I love? And this, my lady audience is gonna get it. It comes with built-in shorts. You know, bondage style like this. Oh my god, no, this brand blew my mind. They have the most insane collection of stuff. The ordering process was so simple, and then when the stuff got here fairly quickly, everything is like 10 times better than what you saw on the website. Such a fun brand. But look, everything is so stretchy, making it fit effortlessly to your body. I'm gonna link all the stuff that I ordered, and you can use Cini 15 for 15% off their entire website, especially if you're behind either on Christmas gifts or your own kind of personal wardrobe. They have really amazing stuff for fairly affordable prices, and especially because they're so stretchy, they're guaranteed to fit you. Let's go and finish off our entire transformation. In honor of the chosen outfit, I kind of want to channel Beyonce, and every time I think of Beyonce, I think of big hair. So I'm gonna do kind of a bouncy blowout because it looks good on my short hair and it should look great. The extensions and blend them all super nicely together. I just want to start by tamping down with the baby hairs. I kind of want to brush them out to kind of blend all the hair together, but also get rid of this slightly Kate Middleton-esque look that I'm getting. Now, when I had extensions last, this was my least favorite part because you can kind of brush out the ends, but you can't ever do that. It was like really strategic brushing. Oh yes, much softer and fuller. I bet you all the money in the world you did not think this would be the outcome. I did not think this would be the outcome. However, since we're going for a slightly 70s look, I want to give it a tiny bit of a middle part and then just have the rest of it be super messy. I think we did it. Genuinely would not have told you with any bit of confidence that this could have actually been a look, especially when I first put the extensions into my hair, but I dare say this actually looks kind of natural. And even though this area of my hair has like this red tinge, it kind of looks almost intentional, like Oh no, that's just for the fringe, but then the rest of it is like fine. I don't want to see what the back is like. Definitely needs to bulk up more. I genuinely don't have any more extensions, but otherwise it does not look half bad. There we go. We gave ourselves a layered cut inspired a tiny bit by the 70s and 80s, and there is very much room for more hair, if I so please. I'm still super happy with the outcome because I can't say that it does not look at least a tiniest bit natural. But I do think I kind of preferred it like this, so I don't know, I think it's super cute. I do want to try one particular style. Oh my god, I haven't seen myself with such a normal-esque amount of hair. All of the products are going to be linked down the description box below where you can check out all the stuff. I'm going to be tagging hair products as well as all of the Halara pieces that I personally picked up. I think they're super, super cute. And if you're looking for a brand new kind of outfit, wardrobe, something that is very comfortable and cushy to wear, this is the brand for you. Use Cini 15 for 15% off. And if you have short hair and you want to try extensions, don't be afraid of them. Just know that you do have to layer it a tiny bit or else not have there be too much of a length difference between your length and the extensions. I think this is such a perfect length for the amount of hair that I personally have. And if I had just one more set of extensions, this could have been a very, very nice hair video indeed. I also really like it just like at this length. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, join the Stella fam, let's learn a thing or two together. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.